Mansabdari system means rank in the Akbar period or position in the Akbar period. Akbar means rank or position in the Akbar court. And that has been divided into Jat and Sawar. Jat and Sawar. And the Jat का मतलब होता था कि that is, and I said one reason Jat and Sawar, आपके पास कितने status is standing the administrative hierarchy, आप किस hierarchy पे हैं. And then Sawar का मतलब होता था how many, what is the name, portion power is along with you, army and all, कितने सवार आपके साथ हैं. I said that Jat fixed the status and standing in the administrative hierarchy, and Sawar fixed the number of troopers and held by a particular mansabdar. तो कितने आपके साथ आर्मी मैन हैं? Understood? Clear? And it was not hereditary. Understood it? Yes. So which mansabdari able to locate? Mansabdari का मतलब क्या था? Yes. It is a rank and position. Yes or not? Rank and position. ये आप लोग पढ़ लेना कि sun is a symbol of worship of the creator. sun इनके लिए था. Didn't lie a new cult feature, forbade cow. अच्छा ये नहीं है शायद आप लोग सुन लेंगे तो याद हो जाएगा. Recognize no prophets. There is no prophets. Didn't lie, and it overthrew almost every ceremonial rule where Islam, or whether it is Islam, whether it is Muslim, but took the good ideas from the Brahmins as well as from the missionaries. किससे दो ideas लिए इन्होंने? Brahmins and then adopted sun as a symbol of the worship of the creator. And the new cult feature forbade cow eating, indifference among all Indians. सारे Indians same हैं. Instituted worship of sun as creator. कि सन ही हमारे क्या है? आज भी हम लोग जानते हैं sun as a creator. So उसने उस समय he has done that, but it has not gone far. But this is that we can say the good religion. Sun as a creator. We started worshiping sun as a creator. Incorporated the sacred fire adopted by Parsis. Encouraged the Havan system, that is of the Hindus. And the emperor was ahead of his time in creating such cult, but this cult eventually died. So Brahmin cult, missionary cult has been also. Sun as a creator, sun was a worship, cow eating and all. So it has been forbidden and all these things are there. Akbar Navratnas. Which are I said that? Akbar Navratnas. What is the meaning of Mansabdari system? Yes, tell me. Yes. And which are it is? Jat and Sawar. Jat means it is your status of position, and Sawar means how many army men with you, troops and all. Understood? कितने सवार हैं? Yes or not? Sawar means सवारी. And then I said that now Abu Fazl Faizi. Abu Fazl का नाम सुन चुके हैं? He was the prime minister of, I said that, he was the prime minister of Akbar. And Faizi was the brother of him. And he was the teacher of Salim. And you know that Tansing. What is the name? What is the name? Yes, Ram Tanu Pandey. And then Mahesh Das, Raja Birbal. Understood? Yes? Which are the four I have discussed with you? Abu Fazl, Faizi, and Tansen and Birbal. ये तो आप लोग जान रहे हैं. Yes, Raja Man Singh को जानते हैं. He is also. Todermal, that is also. So they are also the part of it. And one, आपको पता होगा, if you know that Bairam Khan. And Bairam Khan को कहाँ भेज दिया था इन्होंने? और बाद में उन्होंने पीछे से वाइफ से शादी कर लिया था. किसको मार दिया? तो उसकी वाइफ तो थी, वाइफ के साथ थोड़ी ना भेज दिया था. Bairam Khan की wife, and then his adopted son was कहाँ गए? Abdul Rahim Khane Khan. So he became the adopted son, and this adopted son is the son of what? Bairam Khan. Understood? And he got married with the wife of Bairam Khan. Understood it? So Raja Todermal, Raja Man Singh, and another I said that, tell me first. Abdul Rahim Khane Khan. Very good person. and then Kaun? Radha Krishna. Yes, Lord Krishna devotee he was. And then you can see that फकीर आज दिन में आया और बोला मुल्ला मुझे 2 प्याज दे दो. फकीर मतलब आज आया आपके द्वार पे, आज दिन में आया, एंड मुल्ले से बोला, एंड ही आस्क्ड मुल्ला से आया, यू गिव मी 2 onions. 2 means 2 and onion means pyaj. So what are the 2 others are there? I said that Fakir Ajiuddin and Mullah do Pyaja, and these are the 2 famous chief advisors. So without they taking advice from them, they do not take any kind of what decision. So which are we have seen? Which are the 9 Navratnas? Abu Fazl, Faizi, Tansen, Birbal, and he was got the title of Raja. He has been given the title of Raja by the Akbar. And then Miyan ka title kisko diya tha? Tansen ko. And thereafter I said that Todarmal Bandobast, and then Man Singh, Raja Man Singh, jisko liye Haldi Ghati, Bihar, Bengal, Odisha. And thereafter I said that Abdul Rahim Khane Khan. And then Fakir aaj din mein aaya, Fakir Aziuddin, and kya bola? Mullah do Pyaja. Understood? These are the 2 advisors. Abu Fazl was the, I said that Abu Fazl was the PM. Abu Fazl has written Akbar Nama. Abu Fazl was the PM. Abu Fazl was PM. I said that, and he has written, yes, what he has given? What he has given? Akbar Nama. But he was come under the conspiracy done by Salim. थोड़ा सा problem हुआ था, and he was assassinated. Abu Fazl. Another is, I said, the Faizi. And then Faizi, you know that it is a brother of Abu Fazl. अब बताते इसके बाद में आप लोग रेस्ट कर लेना, ठीक है? Abu Fazl कौन थे? Sorry, his brother was Faizi. And then Faizi, I have said that, tell me, Faizi कौन था? He was a good, talented, multi-talented person. And then Mr. Akbar, therefore, he lied and he appointed him as a teacher for Salim. And he has written one mathematics book, Leela Batti. Yes? क्यों लिखा? क्योंकि जनरली लड़कियां मैथ्स नहीं पढ़ती हैं, इसलिए उनको क्या है, लीला को बत्ती जगाना है. लीला का क्या जगाना है? क्या है जगाना? Maths से generally the girls, not specifically I said that, they used to run away from the maths. So लीला की किसने बत्ती जलाई? फैजी ने. He has written one book. I said that. कहाँ गए हम? लीला बत्ती. And then Tansen, already you know that. Raja Birbal was famous for wits. Yes or not? Making some kind of humor and all. जैसे मिलता था, somebody is what? जैसे आजकल मैं तुरंत बना देता हूँ. So he is also, Birbal was what is famous for his wit. W-I-T, wit. Mahesh Das, his name is, and he has got the title of Raja. And the Raja Man Singh के बारे में आपको पता ही है, Todarmal, and he has been famous for Japti system or Todarmal Bandobast, and then he was got the title of Diwane Ashraf. And then revenue जहाँ था. And the Raja Man Singh, that is a Raja, that is a Kachwa Raja of Amber, and then Akbar's father-in-law, Bharmal, and elder son of Raja Bhagwan Das. भगवान दास के क्या थे ये? राजा मान सिंह कौन थे? भगवान दास के क्लियर? आगे आप लोग कर लेना, ठीक है? एंड देयर आफ्टर इट इज कमिंग ऑफ जहांगीर. बता ही देता हूं थोड़ा सा, बताने में मजा भी आता है इसको थोड़ा सा. ही मोस्टली लिव इन लाहौर. He mostly live in, क्या बता दूं? पेपर में नहीं आएगा. लव स्टोरी नहीं बताता हूं मैं. I said that he lived in what? Lahore, and then but soon his eldest son was Khushro revolted. कौन रहा? अमीर खुशरो नहीं. कौन? Only Khushro. And who supported him? Fifth Guru Arjun Dev. Understood? And then he helped Kushro, therefore he was also executed and he was also. And then Rana Amar Singh, who has the son of Rana Pratap Singh, who have adopted the suzerainty of Akbara. And thereafter, जब उन्होंने मान लिया था कि हाँ मुगल सार्वभौमिक सुजैरिटी और राणा सन करण सिंह को क्या मिल गया, मनसबदारी समझते हैं ना, पोजीशन इन द अकबर्स कोर्ट, क्लियर. And then I said, then he faced a formidable opponent in Malik Amber. And Jahangir ने ट्राई किया डेक्कन की तरफ जाने का. He tried to go towards Deccan, and in the Deccan, Yadavas area पता है ना आपको. And here he has got the somewhere, वहाँ पे यादवास नहीं थे, मैं दिखा रहा हूँ यादवास जिधर थे, जहाँ पर आपने बामनी किंगडम and all we have seen. Yes or not? Ahmed Nagar. If you remember Ahmed Nagar. And then I said that Bijapur, Berar, Bidar, Golconda. I said the famous formidable opponent in the Malik Amber in his expedition to Ahmed Nagar. Failure was the loss of Kandahar to Persia. He is the portion. क्यों नहीं कर पाए? Why? Internal conflicts. And because his wife is what? नाम तो देखोगे, मेहर उर निसा, widow of an Afghani. Meher Ur, याद है? What is the name? Meher Ur Nisha. And what is the name of Jahangir? Yes, tell me, what is the name of his wife? Meher Ur Nisa, Nisat Bagh. And Salimar Bagh in Jammu and Kashmir. फिर श्रीनगर में जाएंगे. What are the two baghs are more formed? निशात बाग. And which बाग? सालिमार बाग. सलीम. समझ में आ गया? I said that the most, ये आपके इस नोट्स में नहीं लिखा रहेगा, लिख लेंगे. I said that सालिमार बाग and which बाग? निशात बाग. श्रीनगर कश्मीर. भाई हस्बैंड वाइफ है, दोनों एक ही जगह रहेंगे, आसपास है.